Good morning, friends. Today is March 10th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, we are making a prediction about our clock. So if you look at the previous clocks, you are going to make a prediction about what we will see behind today's card. Press pause if you need more time. All right, next to number 2, you are going to draw the actual clock. So I'm turning over today's card and you are drawing the actual clock, and I will zoom in for you. Alrighty. So now that we have looked at the clock, again, press pause if you need more time to recreate that. We are moving on to number 3. So now, friends, we've been in for number 3, we are drawing a coin collection. Today's coin collection is 74 cents. So again, you're going to make a group of coins that equal 74 cents. And then write an equation that matches the coins that you have. Again, challenge yourself. Maybe you want 3 different coin collections that make 74 cents. Maybe you want 5. If this is challenging for you, 1 is probably enough. But again, challenge your brain here. Again, press pause if you need more time on number 3. Alrighty, now we are moving on to number 4, and this is the part where we get to represent the number of days we've been in school. So yesterday we were in school for 105 days. So 105 days, 1 more than 105 is 106. So we've been in school for 106 days. You need an addition equation that equals 106, a subtraction equation that equals 106. Tally marks are not super effective once we get above 100, so I would encourage you to add more addition, subtraction, or coin values. You will have a coin value that equals 106 cents or $1.06. And then you will use the 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks to show 106. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. Alrighty, friends, so for number 5, we are skip counting by 5 starting at 3. So start at 3, and 5 more than 3 would be your next number. 5 more than that number would be your following number. So again, this is not starting at 0 like we typically do, but you are counting by 5 starting at 3 until you get to 103. Press pause if you need more time for number 5. Alrighty, and number 6 is your workbook page. We've had a lot of workbook pages this month. And for number 6, we are working on page 43 in our workbook. So you'll notice when you turn your work in that there will be 2 things to turn in. We'll have 1 through 5 on our paper, and then your workbook page 43 as well. We are proud of you, friends. Keep up the hard work. And then we will see you tomorrow.